Hey guys, Schneider here, and I want to show you an easy and free, let me say free again, a free way for you to create graphics for your blog or website. And I use Photoshop, but this is so much easier that I tend to go to this before I even think about Photoshop. So the website in question is called Canva.com. It's Canva.com. So I'm going to show you how to make a couple of graphics. One is just a regular blog post. So when you go to your screen, and this is after you sign in or sign up or whatever, you're going to have an option to create a design. You can choose different social media, presentation, Facebook cover, Facebook post, a blog graphic, either any of those. You can click more and they'll give you some options like social media posts, your documents, your blogging and ebooks, marketing materials, and so forth. I want to let you know that when I create graphics for Instagram, most of the time I'm doing them on Canva. And also on my blog posts, I will also do it on Canva as well. So I want to create just a sort of not a blog post picture, but just a photo for my blog. So I'm going to just click on, let's see, one I want to use. I want a square. So let me go back up and choose, let me do the social media one. Okay, once you come to, let me open it up for you so you can see. Once you click on that, you'll come to different designs that you can choose. They have different layouts. They have different elements, different texts, and different backgrounds. As you would notice, obviously, the ones that said free are actually free. The ones that do not have a price on them are $1. I believe everything's $1 that's not free. I haven't seen anything more expensive than that, but if you see something, just assume that most of them are going to be $1 or they're going to be free. If you use them, you will have to pay for them, but you can do so much that you're not going to need them. So I am not going to use theirs. I'm going to actually use a photo that I have already. So I'm going to click upload. I'm going to say upload your own image. And I can do it that way, or I could just drag what I have already. Which is hard to do. I have something in the way. Oh, here we go. Okay, so there's the image I'm uploading. So I'm just going to drag it onto this background. So I want to take up more space than that's already on. So this is just a picture I'm going to use on my blog. And let's see. Since it has pink, I may use a pink background. You will notice there are different colors. Most of them have primary colors that you can use, but if you click on the plus sign, you'll have a spectrum of colors you can choose from. I want more of a pinkish color. I don't think I want them too dark. All right, and so I'm gonna try to match the flowers a little bit more, a little bit. just eyeballing it. I'm not doing anything fancy. And I'm just going to copy that just because I'm going to need it again. All right, I'm going to move this up some. And then I want to put some text on top of it. And I may want to use sort of like a font that has some type of script to it. It's kind of cursive like, but not too much. I still want it to be legible. Let's see what this one looks like. This satisfy. I don't think I'm gonna like that one. Let's try. Don't do what I'm doing. Spend too much time on it. Let's do Princess Sophia. Love Princess Sophia. So I'm going to say WordPress tutorials. Can you see it? I can change the size of the font. And I probably want it bigger than that. I don't like that font at all. So let me stop being cute and just do something simple. All right, that's much better with that Prada. So if I do white, you'll notice that it's going to be hard to read on because of the background. So I may change the color. So it can be easily to be red. So I'm going to click on that. And as you notice, this was the color I used previously. And they just added onto this for me. And that's still kind of not, still not as easy. Maybe if I put it right here. I don't like it that way because it's hard to see. So let me put it to the side, and I'm going to add a shape to it. So let me add a square. I'm going to change that to black. I am going to change the transparency. Let's see how that works. I'm going to make it more of a rectangular shape. I am going to then put that back. I want WordPress on top of that. Okay, much better. All right. Not the best I'm looking for, but it'll do. Like I can move this up some. Let's see. All right, that's going to do for now. So what I'm going to do now, I want you to be able to see it, is that it already named the title for me because of whatever I whatever I typed in, it automatically put it as the title, but you can always change it if it's not something you want to use. So you can change it to something different. Since I'm okay with the WordPress tutorials as the title, I'm going to click download. You're going to have options of either doing image for web, which is a JPG file. You can do a image high quality PNG. You can do it as a PDF or a PDF for standard or for print. I always do anything I'm going to put on the websites, I put it as a high quality one. And now it's downloading. So it says my design is ready. And I can use it for something else. Now, I highly recommend using Canva for your social media profile. So if you are creating a profile pic for your social media, let's go down. So you have a Facebook event cover photo, a YouTube thumbnail, a Tumblr banner, YouTube channel art, a Twitter header, a Google Plus photo, a Facebook cover, email header, and Etsy banner. If you are trying to design your own for any of the social media platforms, I highly recommend using Canva, because Canva already has set up the appropriate dimensions. Like for the Facebook event cover photo, they have it as 784 pixels by 295 pixels, where they had the YouTube channel art by 2560 by 1440. You can use them as there for those, and they will create them to those sizes. Also, if you already know, you can click on the custom dimensions, and you'll put in whatever dimensions you want to use. So when you are setting up your website, sometimes they have headers that you can put in for your website, and they give you the appropriate dimensions to use, and you can use Canva for that. So if you need to create one, I would just say create it with Canva. It's easy. It's free mostly, unless you use one of their premium photos, but you can get around with that. All right. Well, I hope that was helpful. Talk to you soon.